on the next Chalkboard Chat.
We are showing appreciation to counselors across the state of Mississippi. And today, professional school counselor for the Office of Academic Affairs at the Mississippi School for Mathematics and Science in Columbus, Mississippi. I have Dr. Heath Stevens.
Probably the most important thing for all counselors anywhere is going to be establishing rapport with a student. If you aren't able to build that rapport, it's going to be hard to do anything else until that trust is established.
And today I have Tiffany Durr. She is a school counselor at Northwest Rankin High School.
I would just tell parents, if you are not already involved in school and haven't met your child's school counselor, reach out to them. There is a lot of information that we are responsible for knowing, and it is ever changing. But we are here. We are here for these students, and we are here for these parents. That is our ultimate responsibility.
That's Chalkboard Chat, Friday, February 25th. Chalkboard Chat.mpbonline.org.